ya ranking ya governors.
Harĩ raumire ira ya Infotrack.
Yes. Na ni odu adu alugo karuheni na kagi mwetike mugemerie mahua. Adu alugo neidwa itu kuringana na roboti ya Infotrack.
Ni otwiri uria wikitwo mashinani
ni ati gavana wa keri mundu muiru. Our very own doctor Kang'ata niwe togoretie
kuringana na utwiria wa kambuni otwiria Infotrack.
Yes.
Kuratwika the best performing governor in Kenya today
is Honorable Dr. Irongo Kang'ata,
Governor Murang'a County.
Yes.
Hiyo ni kidole
021. Yes.
Ni arekire wega to Murang'a tutitongoragia maundu maingi nationally.
Etiko yiga tutongoragia. No, so it tells a lot. And Adwa Murang'ari, by and large, they know that this is quite accurate.
Yes.
Dr. Kang'ata
ni kuringana na ithimo cia wira gwekwo thuthuria.
Yes.
Wetwika Dagitari Irongo Kang'ata.
Yes.
Is best performing governor.
Ndio. Actually no we hauri. Mundu uria we top 15 list ino ya Centrally is coming at number 10.
That is
no, number 8.
No, is no, it's actually 10. Todo kwina tai igiri. Namba 5 na itha. It's 10.
Okuria kwa mwalimu mutai.
Wa kuria Nyeri. Namba iro.
Na niraugire sore aiko hai mundu akitiria andi turauga tumesema pole if there is someone tumedhihaki. Leo the kiuitere ya kuigwa kama kuna mtu ambaye tumedhihaki, we are saying sorry, we are apologetic because sometimes rimwe mtu ni aragia, so we are actually apologetic. Yes.
Mwalimu namba 10 agakirumirirwo ni governor wa Matangi namba 11.
Yes.
Ucio ni twiria wa kambuni ya Infotrack.
Yes. Na cia metumia tirwo bara. Nesia Kang'ata isi. No, we should celebrate this governor.
No, we should.
Yes.
Hiyo ni kazi kweli.
Ndio. Of course, number 2 is Natembea. Trans-Nzoia.
Overall national.
Yes.
Hii Governor George Natembea.
He has transformed the place so to be a governor who was neither here nor there. Na Diego gutone twathiete kuri we tuhe matano. Ndi bitare jiwa ko mare yari iro bia ta bomb. Patuko mau. God's Gladys Wanga.
Number 3 ni Governor wa Homa Bay.
Yes.
Gladys Wanga.
Number 4 is Kisumu.
Governor Nyang' Nyong'o.
Professor Nyang' Nyong'o. Babake Lupita. Yes.
Arumirirwo ni Mutula Kilonzo wa Makoeni.
Yes. Igeyo Marakwet. Wesley Rotich namba 5. Yes.
Simba Arati.
Yes.
Wa Kisii. Anamfuata namba 8.
Yes. Lentutu. Akakule chini 15.
Ntutu wa Naroko.
Governor Anne Waiguru. Minchi. Kule kwa kina More wake Viro. Number 14.
Yageretie.
Yes. West Pokot. Governor Simon Kachapin. Wako 12. Yes.
Na ndona nginya Tharaka ni thia rio kuo muthomi njuki.
Yes.
Na Fatuma Achani wa Kwale.
Yes.
Mageretie we.
Nona governor witu na bemwe. Na horerete ogu. Ngale turauga ne tukenete, we are happy because tukoretwo tukiruta wira na inchi metaga kurutirwo wira, so basically that is our calling. Ucio niguo wira witu. Atuguthi na mbere kuruta wira uyu o uria twetikiritio ni tuhetwo mandate ni wananchi aya aitu. Koguo ni tugukorwo twina Kang'ata Care, twina Murang'a Youth Service, ni tugukorwo tukirumbuia nginya smart city mitaratara itu. We will be focused on those issues in those lines, and well, we just move on because ucio niguo wira witu tuhetwo ni andu
na inua mukulima
korwo ni wa mbere mundu mwiru
Nĩkĩo tatongoririe.
Acio matũkagĩrĩra nĩ merorere cio Ngai matũtwaraga EACC.
Thumu na mĩrĩo itingĩatongoririe. No way, never. Couldn't.
Mbembe nĩ meru.
Cannot.
Na mĩrĩo ĩ meri-inĩ. Na Ngai thara. Rĩu gavana tũhandithagia thara.
No wonder we couldn't make it here.
Na mũciĩ no jau. No, the cow program was sustainable. No, they didn't even sold those sweet potatoes.
No way.
And you know you cannot even audit them.
That is the problem. Not really. Nĩũroragwo maũndũ ta mau.
Nĩtũrarekeirie arĩmi a kũrĩa gwĩtagwo marumi mĩrĩo moeha mwai. Na ndauga ũũ.
No utuirie cio no rakionania magavana ingia gitaro gia Central ri.
Yes.
At least ni marutite wira. Ana actually ana kana ni atano me list ni ya top 15.
It should be around 4 of them.
Yes. Actually it's 5.
It's 5. Yeah,
5 of them.
Yes.
Wakiona no makigeretie.
It's a good sign. Me top 15. Yes. Yeni. Twina bemwe. Wana makihuraga milio.
Na ndĩratho mariboti yo actually ngona ona despite ya gũkorwo governor Kang'ata atongoretie overall nationally ona rĩu yathie segment ya ngone to horo wa ũrĩmi ũhoro wa maĩ ĩkona kũndũ kũingĩ county ya Murang'a tongoretie
which is quite a good trajectory.
Iratũrana hakwa haha na Homa Bay
na riboti ĩno ndĩrauga atĩ wĩra nĩ mũrũtĩku wothe marahora wĩra ũrĩa ũrutĩtwo sofa
na mwĩhoko ũrĩa andũ menaguo
absolutely
makĩhonjwo thĩinĩ wa county icio.
Yes. So if it is anything to go by,
it's a good thing.
It's a good thing.
It's a good thing.
Oh yeah. Toko alisti yothe mũndũ wenda kũmenya gavana wa hana atĩa ri no twandĩkĩre au 2014. Yes. Tutakwambia mko namba ngapi. Kana wao kondo ya gavana wanyu ni ahetwo na mbere atagĩrĩire ũtuire.
Ũgeciria igũrũ kana thĩ.
Yes. Aingĩ matingiuga atĩ nĩ ambambatio. Yes.
But it's a good thing.
No, it's a good thing. Yes.
Utongoria bururi-inĩ ri. It's a good thing. It's a good feeling.
Keep it up, Dr. Kang'ata, Governor Kang'ata.
And your team.
And your team. Keep it up. Yeni.
Kazi mzuri.
Na tuendelee hivyo. Yes.
Akenda ina dakika 43.